Welcome guys to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. I'm doing this on a Saturday, but it could be any which ways. I'm publishing this video on a Sunday, so it's going to be the weekly Sunday withdrawal, guys, on the Pro system, Future Adpro, and we're going to go into this strategic element of the Pro system. And I have actually come across some things with regards to people asking questions, and I need to answer, I need to just explain to them what the Pro system is about, because I think that a lot of people are confusing it for just a system that you get for free rather than a strategy and an actual mindset behind it. Okay, it's a long-term mindset behind it. So the Pro system is a system that we follow, okay, a strategy that we follow, a method that we put into place that becomes a system in itself. Okay, from free traffic generation methods, from paid traffic generation methods, from withdrawing every single week in our business. And we're definitely going to look at some proof, we're going to look at some progress, we're going to see some results, and we're going to also look at the strategy. So I am looking in futurenet and future Adpro right now. And if you guys haven't got into any of these, in fact, let me just open even futurenet so that you guys can see. It should be here. So let me just do this because I didn't want to leave that page, but since I did, let's go to the previous. Oops. Go to the next. Okay. You go to extras right here, and you can go to the futurenet. So futurenet, guys, is the main website, and it is practically a social media website that has so many streams of income. In fact, some of them can be found here. You can see futurenet store, the shopping platform, you have futurenet cafe, you have futurenet foundation, sport, ads, cloud. They also have for example, recently they have been giving a lot of articles when it comes to Futuro coin, which is the cryptocurrency side of it. So there's a lot going on with this company. I'm really proud to be associated with them. Now, one of the streams of income in in FutureNet itself is the matrix. So if you want to know what that is, you can sign up for free within the Pro system itself. So the link to the Pro system is going to be in the description of this video. Sign up, go to get set up now, and the second video will take you actually to everything. So let me just share with you. So these are the main three streams of income, and we are going to talk today about Future Adpro, guys, because that's where the beauty lies for me. Okay, but I just want to show you they have packages. I am working my way up to the 500, and then I will get the Royal. My aim is to get the Royal as soon as possible, obviously, but for that I would need to have at least another 1,500 US dollars, which is what I'm focusing on getting within the earnings and everything else. Okay, so let's go ahead and actually look at the Future Adpro. Let's close these tabs. I just want to give you an overview that the company has been online for the last 6 years. Future Adpro, guys, is a revenue sharing side of the business. It is a site right now, just to give you an update, that they're migrating to a newer site. Because like I showed you, FutureNet, which is the social media site, has over 4 million members. So obviously the site right now, after 2.5 or 3 years already of running, is getting a bit slow. There's glitches that are happening. It's taking longer to watch your 10 ads and stuff like that. Okay, they're even calculating it just twice a day rather than every 15 minutes a day as they used to. The reason for this is that there is a big let's say pressure on the infrastructure that Future Adpro has built, but it's already 3 years. Okay, so if you had a company that has made lots and lots of money for the last 3 years and has paid out so much as well, influx of new members is obviously going to be a pressure that's going to happen for you. So what they're doing right now is they're in the process of migrating to a new site. They've tested it out with over 70, or I think already 100,000 people have tested the new website to see the glitches, to make sure that everything's okay before it's launched. Members who do the same thing that we do. Okay, now how do we're gonna go and just look at the business side. I have around 100 FND, which is FutureNet dollars, but it's equivalent to the US dollars. Okay, so right now I've made over 1,300 and 13,000 $604 US in commissions on Future Adpro. Now, guys, these results are not typical. These are my results. I cannot guarantee that you'll get these results, but definitely I am going to talk about it so that you guys can see the reality of the situation, right? Over that, I just want to show you it's almost a $2,000 withdrawn from Future Adpro. Okay, almost over 2,000 accepted payouts. So that means I'm not just putting money into the platform and keeping and earning commissions there. I'm even removing it as frequent as possible. And in fact, that's the actual plan we're going to talk about. Okay, I use this as a traffic budget. As you can see, every single week I've been taking out. Rather, it's been every single week, but since I couldn't do some weeks, I've taken out more and then less and more and then less. But at the end of the day, it's the same amount still, right? Last week I took out 60. I just want to go into the wallet details right here on Bitcoin, and I want to show you that this is what I received, which is directly from Future Adpro. Went to my CoinDeal wallet. As you can see, I do have funds for the last 3 weeks, and this is the 4th week, guys, that I'm withdrawing. So yes, 3 weeks are gone, but this is the 4th week. Okay, this is the 4th week. Brilliant. That I've been showing you guys a strategy that week in and week out, every single week we withdraw at least $60 US from Future Adpro. Okay. Yeah, just a little bit of proof was there. Obviously, that you see the withdrawals, you see amount I make. I have quite a bit of team members as well, but those are the withdrawn amounts. And right now I have over 100. So what I'm going to do is I would like to actually take out 90 because I'm funding the last stream of income as well that I have in the Pro system. You can find it all in the link in the description. But we're going to be focusing on withdrawing 60, and then I'm going to leave the 30 there and just 60, 60, 60 every single week. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to make the withdrawal first so that that's out of the way, and then I can share the strategy with you. So let's go to business, and we go to payouts, and as you can see, I'm going to put 60 here, which is what I want in Bitcoin. Now, if you're in the US, like I said, the best way is through Bitcoin. It is a little more expensive. Or you can have NetTeller, Seller Trust, Pay Advance, guys, Perfect Money. Guys, it's up to you. I would wait till at least I have 2,500 and then withdraw in Bitcoin. That'll go straight to my Bitcoin wallet, whatever it is. Every time I have 2,500, withdraw. So that way, the 35 that you spend on the fee for Bitcoin, you don't feel it that much. But this has been announced ages. They do get a better deal with CoinDeal, but unfortunately, it's not in the US. So if you're watching this in the US, I apologize. If you're not in the US, go ahead and use CoinDeal. They're pretty legit and they're good, good customer support. They answer your questions quite quickly. So that's a little bit of advice on my end. So let's go ahead and put my password in, and I'm gonna copy. Sorry, I'm gonna copy this right here, which is the which is the address for CoinDeal, and just double check 60 Bitcoin. So $2 is the fee, $5 is the upgrade account, and we're gonna click on payouts. So that's going to go to my email. Now, if I scroll down, actually, if I refresh the page, let's refresh the page. Okay, you will see, I'm gonna go to my Gmail so that I'm already there. But you will see if I scroll down, it says waiting for email confirmation. What it means is that they've sent a confirmation email that I'm going to show you in a second, which will tell you, do you approve that? Do you really want this withdrawal? Because sometimes people make a mistake, so they just want to be 100% sure that you do want this this withdrawal. So apparently my internet is a bit slow. There we go. So you got the email. Let's open the email, guys, and check it out. But this confirmation is there now. It's important that you see it. It shows you the method. It shows you how much you want. You click on yes, right? You see that it's 40. So that means 60 was taken out, correct? And Yeah, 60 was taken out, and I'm going to scroll down, and you can see right here it shows confirmed. Okay, but if I move my face, you can see right here it shows waiting. Now I'm not sure if my face is still on this, but it should show waiting here as I am showing you. And this means that they have to manually come to the account and actually accept things. Once they do accept things, then it'll get deposited in this account right here, and once it gets deposited here, I will withdraw it, and I will actually send more traffic for the next whole month of November from this amount. Okay, so Future Adpro is going to help me, is helping me build my business basically. So let's go and actually draw the strategy from it. I have a product or service. Okay, this is how the strategy works, guys. Product or service, which is easy one up that I have, FutureNet. Okay, this is product or service. I have the Pro system, which is basically built on Online Sales Pro and Aweber. Okay, this is what it's built on. And the third element is traffic. Now, traffic is traffic from Future Adpro, obviously, and as well as traffic. Okay, traffic from Future Adpro, but traffic also not from Future Adpro. Okay, so we to take traffic from outside Future Adpro in order for us to actually build and continue this. So every time we make a sale, we take the funds and we put it right here. Okay, that's where we put it. The traffic goes, this is from Easy One Up, I put in 30% of the funds that from the sales that I make, 30% goes into traffic. The rest 70% gets divided into investments if I need to put it in something else, or in myself, on my pocket, etc., right? Pays the bills and these kind of things. The traffic goes to Online Sales Pro, which in turn through email and through the sales funnel promote Easy One Up, and they also promote FutureNet. And this happens when FutureNet makes a sale again, the traffic goes back to a pool where I use more and more. So this budgeting basically of the system is a continuous method. Okay, this is the strategy of the Pro system, and I want you guys to understand that if you want to join me in the Pro system, if you click the link in the description of this video, fill in your email address, look at the strategy. I have two elements. Okay, there's a cryptocurrency side to it, and there's a marketing side. This is the main elements though on how the strategy works. The Pro system is a Pro system strategy. For you to get it, you need Online Sales Pro. You need Aweber. Okay, these are the things that I suggest that you get in order for me to give you the whole funnel myself. Okay, so if you want it, the things that you need to get now is Online Sales Pro and Aweber, and then I will give you the whole funnel, and the funnel will do the selling for you. But if you're not in the products, then understand the strategy behind it. Okay, this is also educational. These videos that I make on YouTube are educational, but at the same time, whatever you make in Easy One Up, you take 30%, put it into traffic. Whatever you make in FutureNet, you put that into traffic. What we're doing with Future Adpro is creating a weekly budget for your traffic. So every week I withdraw 60, and every week I put that 60 into traffic. Get it? And that's how you start to increase your sales. That's how you start to actually get more lists, more views, your following increases, you're building your brand, and so on. But the point of the Pro system is that it is duplicatable, but only if you have Online Sales Pro and Aweber. So that is my request to you. Understand that the Pro system is a strategy in itself, but if you want the funnel, I can give it to you. Okay, that is an added bonus from my side. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you did like it, hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up. If you need anything else, comment section is below. I'm going to see you on the next one next week for another withdrawal. But until then, enjoy the Pro system, enjoy the strategy, and I'm going to see you definitely on tomorrow's video.